Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're in Siem Reap and we are taking a cooking class. I'm buzzing. It's the top rated one on TripAdvisor and Viator. I'll put a link in the description below for you to check it out. You get to go to the market, you get to cook 4 dishes, and then obviously you get to eat it as well. We're going to the market after our class because it's not open currently, but it depends on the time you go. You might go before. They pick you up from your hotel and our tuk tuk driver is actually waiting now, so we're gonna go. Look at this bad boy. This is like a sidecar but better. I love it. Hello, hello, hi, nice to meet you.
Welcome to Cambodia.
Thank you.
And welcome to my cooking class at a local home. And this is a cooking class run by local family. Please come inside.
Thank you. Thank you very much. This is nice.
It's a local house. And
lovely.
First we have a menu.
We can choose.
Yeah, you can choose for the menu.
What do you think is best?
I think one green mango salad with dry shrimp, fish amok, banana with coconut meal.
Can I have the green mango salad with smoked fish?
Yeah.
Fish and what? That's the traditional one, isn't it?
Yeah.
Gotta go with that. Vegetable tempura.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Lots of deep fried.
Yeah.
And banana with coconut.
Okay. Yeah. Now we go to garden first. We get some basil, some fish herb, some coriander, some noni leaf for the fish amok. Come back, I show you about oyster mushroom, and then we start to cook.
Cool.
Yeah.
We go to the garden and we pick herbs and leaves and plants and things that we're going to actually use to cook, which is quite cool. I thought we weren't going to do that because we weren't going to the market, but turns out they actually have all the things here.
We have flip-flop here.
Are they going to be big enough?
Yeah, big enough.
I have so many issues with big, well,
Yeah.
small shoes in Asia. Yes, okay. They're so big.
Too big for me. First we have this leaf.
Yeah.
This is a noni leaf. We put in the fish amok.
Ah. Ooh.
But I think your country don't have.
No, I don't think
Yeah,
so.
yeah. You want to make amok, you don't have noni leaf. You can use bok choy leaf.
Can you eat it raw?
Yeah, no.
No, you have to cook it, yeah.
Yeah.
Ah, cool.
This basil. Basil.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh, gosh, that is strong. You
No
can
cook,
eat it?
we eat fresh. Yeah, you can taste.
Yeah,
Is that okay? Yeah.
Oh, that's strong. Yeah, it's like aniseed, star anise kind of like flavour.
This one, yeah, you can pick this one from
pick it
the,
up.
yeah.
I've never seen a green bean that
Same like
big.
snake.
Yeah. What's this?
Galangal.
Oh, galangal.
Yeah,
I do know
galangal.
this.
Yeah.
It's similar to ginger,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, similar.
Oh, so do you eat
Yeah.
this part?
Yeah.
I know we've used that before in cooking before. Coriander?
Yeah, you can smell first.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's completely different to what I would think coriander is. Well,
Yeah, smell same, but this
smells same,
yeah, I
right?
know.
Okay, yeah.
I know.
So it's not coriander, it smells
Yeah.
same. Oh. Is this a lemon?
Yeah, lemon.
Do they turn yellow?
Yeah.
Eventually they'll turn yellow. It smells like a lime actually more.
You can smell first. Yeah.
Ooh,
Coffee lime.
cafe lime, yeah.
Coffee
Oh,
lime.
that is so nice.
Yeah. You can pick.
Oh God.
You can pick with the whole thing.
Oh God, I don't know. It's a bit sick.
Whole thing. Yeah.
Oh man,
Yeah.
that is weird, isn't it?
You want to know how to grow mushroom,
Yeah,
right?
what is that?
Limestone powder, sawdust, rye dust.
And then
yeah, we mix all together. We take to steam 8 hours before. Then we put in the plastic like this.
Yeah. How long
Yeah.
does it take?
We waiting maybe 25 to 13 days mushroom grow.
Wow. Who decided to start eating mushrooms? I really don't know why you would start eating that. Ooh, look at me.
We cook for the fish amok first. Yeah, we cook fish amok. We take to steam long time, maybe 25 to 30 minutes for the steam. Yeah. In Cambodia, we washing everything.
Wash everything.
Yeah.
Oh gosh, this is so sharp. Oh my gosh. Oh, so squidgy. What kind of fish is this?
Barfish. Barfish. Barfish or snakefish.
Snakefish?
Yeah. You can smell first.
Oh, that is nice.
Amok paste we made from lemongrass, garlic, turmeric, coffee lime, and finger root. Yeah, like that. Yes.
Nice.
1 tablespoon for the fish sauce. Like this.
I was not expecting an egg.
Yeah.
Oh, God. What does that do?
Duck egg.
It's a duck egg?
Yeah.
Oh.
You don't have duck egg, you can use chicken egg Sam.
Yeah.
And after we have coconut milk, you hold the spoon. 1, 2, and 3. Then you mix all together.
Look at that egg. Not a lot of ingredients, but I know that it just smells amazing already. Perfect.
And then we take to steam.
Like a bain-marie.
Yeah, like that. After we cook dessert.
Oh, dessert.
Yeah, banana with coconut milk.
So I chose banana in coconut milk, which sounds really simple, but I have a feeling it's going to be delicious.
Give me this one, I wash for you.
Thanks. So it's quite nice because they just wash up for you. So there's someone constantly moving all the stuff, washing it up, cleaning, so you don't have to have a messy station. It's quite nice. Thanks.
You put this.
So many small bananas.
Okay. Now you can add tapioca oil with the water in.
So just
those,
everything in
yeah,
here.
everything inside.
It's like tapioca pudding, basically.
Yeah.
It's just normal salt.
Yeah.
Magic. Making me hungry.
Yeah.
So ours was at 12:30, so we didn't have to have lunch.
Hey.
So we've got like a 4-course meal. So we had a small breakfast and I'm like starving. You know when you cook and you just want to eat everything, but it's all raw, so you can't.
1, 2, 3. I add 5 later.
5.
4 and 5. Yeah.
So basically, don't come here if you're on a diet.
Yeah.
Coconut milk, sugar.
Yeah.
Perfect. So much more sugar.
Okay.
So this is for the green mango salad.
Yeah.
So we've got carrot, shallot, tomato, and mango. I feel like I'm going to cut myself. Look at the mess I'm making.
Okay, no problem.
I'm focusing so much on my fingers. She's like, she's not doing that right.
You're doing it weird.
We can make like this.
You just shown everybody watching this video, you have no idea how to grate something.
It's actually called peeling, yeah. So.
Yeah, like that. Yeah, like that.
Oh, I don't like that. Oh my God, I've never done this before. Whenever I peel a potato, I peel it away from me. Oh, this is embarrassing, isn't it?
Yeah.
In Cambodia, they wash everything.
Yeah. Then you cut 2 and 1/2. Yeah, like that. And then you put that way, and then you cut thin slice.
Like this?
Yeah, like that.
In the bowl?
Yeah.
The shallot was easy.
Were you going to call it an onion?
Yeah, baby onion. It's basically an onion, isn't it? Do you know the difference? No.
You can try.
Thanks. I could try, but...
Yeah. Yeah, like that.
Oh my God. You learn something new every day.
Well,
How to peel it. So there's a little bit like the papaya salad in Thailand, but mango, basically. Ah, this is a smoked fish.
Yeah, you can put 1 tablespoon for the smoked fish.
I've actually changed my mind. Can I have just plain?
Yeah.
Just no fish, no shrimp.
No shrimp.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
So these are the actual leaves that we got from the garden, which is quite nice. Fish herbs, basil. What else was it? Fish herbs, basil.
Coriander.
Coriander.
And you like spicy? A little bit.
Not a very good person to try all these things. Looks good though. Mix, mix, mix. Oh, nice. Yeah, it's so fresh. Is that good enough for you? Big portions. Come hungry.
Yeah.
I think this is actually really impressive. Not, I suppose, the most, actually it was quite skillful because I couldn't do it, but really simple, really easy. So this is the salad. This is the first dish of 4 we've got. We've got the curry that we're steaming currently, and also, I can't remember, there's another dish. The vegetables, all the tempura, deep fried vegetables basically, and then dessert.
For vegetable tempura, we have mushroom, eggplant, tomato, and green pepper.
So it's basically just deep fried vegetables. So this is just making a batter.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Turns out I'm quite a messy cook. Kev does tell me that, but I never believe him. Now we've got it on film. So the reason we chose this tour is because it has over 500 5-star reviews on TripAdvisor and Viator. So we'll put the link in the description below for you to check out. But so far, I can definitely see why it's got so many reviews. I'm just buzzing for the food. I think it's going to be amazing.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, like that.
Oh, one for luck. I think I'll just be eating salad for the rest of the time we're here. We've got a wedding to go to and we're trying to like look good for it, but this is not helping.
one by one in the oil like that.
Perfect.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, so aubergine in, mix. She makes it look so easy. Oh, it was easy. I've never had tomato before. Deep fried tomato. To be honest, anything deep fried is going to be good, isn't it? Let's be fair. But it's vegetables, so it's healthy.
Okay, you look the sea amok.
So this is the fish amok. It's just come out of the steamer and it's got really thick. It's almost like omelette type kind of like quiche thing because the egg and the coconut mix made it thicker. That's really interesting. I didn't expect that. I thought it would just be like a curry. So we're getting quite close. We've just finished off the tempura. We've got the amok just come out. We've got the dessert, bananas. We've got the salad. They're all being over there protected by the flies. And yeah, we're almost done. We can almost eat. It's almost lunchtime. Yay! So we've got soy sauce to add as like a little dip-in sauce. Yeah, I think that's enough. Take it to the table.
And first you wash your hand first. And you take out the apple and then you go to
because we're eating now.
Yeah,
cool.
for eating.
So it only took about an hour, I think. We went to the garden when we first got here and then all the cooking is probably only about an hour, which is quite nice. We've got to go to the market as well still. So yeah, it's quite a good pace really. Wow. So this is my masterpiece. So we've got green mango salad with, it's got tomatoes, herbs, mango, carrot, shallots. And then we've got fish amok, which looks lush. That's the fish coconut milk thing. And the egg, yeah. And then we've got the tempura, so tomatoes, mushrooms, aubergine, eggplant, and green pepper. Yeah. Then this is tapioca pudding, which I have to share with Kev. This is, yeah, tapioca, banana, and coconut milk, basically. And some sugar and things, spices. And steamed rice, because it just makes a meal, doesn't it? Oh, a little bit spicy was just enough. I'm gonna try this amok, fish amok. Do I just dig in? Oh, wow. It's really, what's the word, delicate, really soft. Got my crunchy vegetables. Obviously that was going to be good. So the tapioca is like really thick now. This is like tapioca pudding basically. The coconut milk in that is so nice. It's all very good. I made good choices, but also the menu was really good as well. So these were the options that I chose, but you can, so the mango salad, originally I did choose with smoked fish, but I changed my mind. But you can also get it with dry shrimp or beef. As the main, you could get tom yum with seafood, or you could get sweet and sour fried chicken, or fried chicken with cashew nuts as well, that's another option. The vegetable side order, so I got the tempura, but you could get a vegetable curry, which is like a whole nother meal really, or pineapple fried rice. And then dessert, you've got the banana with coconut milk, or you could get sweet potato with palm sugar, which I maybe should have got that because I've never had that before. But yeah, so there's loads of different options. You don't just have to have one specific thing, which is quite nice. So she just came over and said, Jade, do you like beer? Like, yes, I love beer. So I've got a beer for dinner as well. Cheers.
My kind of girl.
So our tour started at 12:30 and the market was closed then. It doesn't open until about 3 or half 3. So once you finish cooking, you've got loads of time just to relax. You don't have to rush your meal. So we're going to eat this, finish, and then go into the market afterwards. Back into our horse and cart. And we're off to the market. Okay, we're here, we can see lots of fruit and veg. Let's go. Oh, spring rolls.
That's Cambodian spring roll, yeah?
Spring rolls,
but,
yeah.
Today we don't make spring roll. Yeah.
We don't eat those today.
Yeah. And this is the duck egg.
So this is the duck egg we used in the cooking?
Yes, correct.
Ah,
Cambodian
cool.
people, they prefer duck egg more than chicken egg.
Yeah,
Mostly
yeah.
We have the own farm in Cambodian. Cambodia, they feed a lot of duck around local village. They have green bean.
Yeah,
cucumber,
the long ones, yeah.
And eggplant.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have eggplant at home as well. And also like baby watermelon.
Baby watermelon?
Yes, it's popular, yeah. But we make vegetable, we're not making dessert because this one, the taste not sweet.
Oh, so
a little bit sour, a little bit sweet.
What colour is it inside?
White colour.
White?
Yeah, but the old one, the red one, which means the red colour.
Red, yeah.
That one you can make a dessert, okay?
Yeah.
But this one make vegetable.
I'm learning so much about vegetables. I thought I knew quite a lot about vegetables, but turns out,
And that's the pork.
Pork?
Yeah. She tried to sell in this morning, but not empty. So she sell evening again.
Right.
If not empty, she making the sausage. And let's smell like, you think very strong smell for you that you don't like. It's fish paste, right?
Fish, yeah, oh
you
no.
See, like, you see? But Cambodian people, they prefer fish paste. In their kitchen, must have fish paste.
Yeah, important.
Important
Can
for
I
them.
smell it?
Yeah, you smell? Oh, okay.
Oh yeah, that is strong. Jackfruit,
Yeah,
oh wow.
jackfruit. But Cambodian jackfruit is the cost lower than durian. Durian very expensive. 1
Really?
kilo, let's say $10. But jackfruit, 1 kilo about like 80 cents.
No way.
Very cheap.
Wow.
Big difference, right?
But
So if you want to save money, you can do can buy jackfruit.
That's
But
crazy.
durian,
durian's the smelly one, right?
smell like Cambodian people like
Yeah.
they prefer like durian. You know, Cambodian popular cake we call banana sticky rice cake. But that
Oh.
one they have ingredient bananas,
Yeah.
rice, coconut milk, and a little bit sugar.
So it's
And
like
they
a
pack
dessert.
it banana leaf. It steam about 1 hour.
Oh really?
So it's called banana sticky rice.
Ah.
I will steam it. Other one you can grill it.
Yeah.
Let's see. Yeah? You want to test? Very hot. You touch it. Hot, yeah?
Oh yeah, and it's soft.
Yeah, it's soft because steam, yeah?
Yeah.
But the one they grill is
Oh, it's
firm.
tough, yeah.
It's tough, yeah.
So that's the market you'll see, whether it's before or after your class. It's quite nice because you can actually see that, I mean, we're the only foreigners here. This is how like people live, and you don't often get that when you just come on holiday. So it's quite nice to get that experience with a guide, and they can explain and tell you everything that's going on. This was quite good. Oh, I've got a special guide across the road. I'm not trusted. Oh, so dainty. Right, we're on our way back home. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's so windy. Home sweet home. At the door. So we've just been dropped back off at a hotel. We've had such a good day. I can definitely see why it's so highly rated. The food was great. We've got to go in the garden, the market tour, the actual cooking process as well. Like I learned a lot of stuff, which I kind of thought it would just be a bit of fun. I'll put this in this, I'll put this in that. But I actually learned quite a lot about cooking, which was quite nice. So 10 out of 10 guys, I would highly recommend coming on this tour. If you do want to come, click on the link in the description below. It really helps us guys, it really helps the channel. I've also written a full article and I've linked that as well. So if this video has been helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.